So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sign up on Canva. Now, I'm sure most of you must be already using Canva, the free version of it, and you must be already signed up on Canva. But still, for those who have not used this tool, let me tell you, this is an awesome tool. Okay, I've been using Canva for the last, I guess, more than 6 to 7 years now. I use the pro version, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Canva, and after signing up, how you can get the pro version of it. Okay, so first go to Google and just search for Canva. Okay, the very first site that comes, that is seen. Okay, so you can click on that, and then you will see a page like this. Okay, that pops up. Now click on sign up. Okay, and click on continue with Google. Okay, once you do that, just pick up the email ID that with which you want to sign up on Canva. Okay, so I'm choosing this, and then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so once you've done that, you're done. The sign up process on Canva is done. Okay, then a few more things you need to finish, so you can choose. In your case, if you, as you're a preschool owner, you can just select small business. Okay, and here it is asking you to upgrade to the pro version, so I'm going to click on upgrade. Now if you see here, Canva is allowing us to even sign up for a single day. Okay, so either one day, a week, a month, or 12 months. Okay, click on whatever tenure you want to choose. Okay, either it can be a week, a day, a month. Okay, in your case right now, I would suggest you sign up either for a day or 1 week. Okay, because as I told you, the whole process is not going to take more than an hour, provided you have all the prerequisites ready, parent testimonials, the candid images. If you have kept everything ready, it's not going to take you more than an hour to design these 180 posts. Okay, so I think to start with, you can even sign up for a single day, but it is important to get the pro version. The reason I am telling you is the templates that I have created are created in pro version. Okay, not the free version. And so there are a lot of elements which I have used, or there are a lot of fonts, or maybe the elements that I have used can be accessed only by a user who is a Canva Pro user. Okay, so if you use a free version, maybe there would be a watermarks on some elements. Some elements might not be available. Okay, so just sign up for a day or a week, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay, so let me choose 1 week. Okay, so it's asking me to pay 199. Now just simply click on next. Okay, you will have to fill up the online details like your card number, debit or credit card, and then click on get Canva Pro. Okay, once that is done, the amount would be deducted, and you would be using the Canva Pro version. So yes, that's all in this video. So move on to the next video only once you have signed up on Canva and you have subscribed for the pro version. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.